Jai Jinendra, I am Bharti Parekh from Mumbai, and knowing our true identity, that is who am I in reality. I am not this physical body or temporary, but I am eternal, immortal, independent, infinite, blissful, peaceful, powerful soul, and again reminding myself of this ultimate truth and establishing in my soul, doing continuous Bhed Vignan can really save me from this agitating situation currently going on in the world. And again, when I reduce to the body level, then I remind myself that as you sow, so shall you reap. So whatever karmas I have done in my past births are giving fruits in this birth. So whatever I have done, I will have to bear. Krambat Parya is going on continuously. So now again I should not be disturbed, and again I should not bind new karmas, but now I should be cool and calm. So law of karma and my true identity, that is continuously doing Bhed Vigyan, is really keeping me cool and calm in this agitating situation of coronavirus. And one more thing I would like to share, that continuously now it is teaching us so many lessons, that not only coronavirus but even deadlier viruses can come and kill human beings, because whatever we are giving to the nature will give us back. So continuously if we just go through our own life, then continuously we are killing so many insects and living beings, one sense beings. Continuously 24 hours in our houses we have fridge, refrigerators, electricity, air conditioners and all that. So in freeze, for example, continuous one sense beings are being killed. So whatever we give, we are going to get back. So it's a learning lesson now, that at least now I minimize my violence for my survival, and I truly coexist with all other living beings, and we strictly follow the principle of Bhagwan Mahavir Swami, live and let live. Thank you so much. Jai Jinendra.